there's a quick tutorial on border radiuses and linear gradients, basic color gradients and stuff like that. So first, let's begin with doing some div tags for the borders. We'll use class instead of IDs. One more. Oh yeah, I forgot to capitalize the C. You don't have to, just my convention of doing it. So now we're done that. Now we go into the styling part. This is where we start doing it. So remember the dot when you do classes. So first we're just going to do a simple border. Well, they're all going to have borders just slightly different. One groove, one dashed. This is where you can change the corners of your boxes to give them a little bit more style, so they don't just like actually look like boxes, so they're a bit more nice to look at. And just a simple padding, just so they're not all smashed up together. Alright, let's do the next one. This time we're going to do a dash one. Oop, gotta put the other balloon first, and then we'll do the border race. And unlike the first one, we should only put one in, because if you do one, it does all the corners. If you add a few more, it does specific ones. So yeah, this one we'll do now. Oop, there we go, that's what I wanted. And again, just simple padding and margin. And the last one, just to give you more examples. There you go. Still made a mistake. There you go. So, this one we're going to use Groove, which is probably the best name for them. And again, as I said, with border radius, you can add far more than just a couple. Always remember to do your colon. And the last one. And just the added margin and padding. So now, if we save it and go back, we should now have 3 nice borders with different shapes. There we go. Ooh, looks like we've got a slight issue there. That'll probably fix it. Oop, wrong one. There we go, fixed it. It's just probably I made a slight mistake in the padding thing. Oh, there we go. So now if we go back, check it, there we go. And it's slightly bigger because I put the 1 in there. But yeah, as you can see, dash, border, groove, they're all slightly different. So it just makes it a little better. Next thing we're going to do, so we get rid of that, and get rid of these. We're going to do like linear gradients, color gradients basically. So first we go add some div tags in, again. And we'll do 4. We're just going to keep it simple, like first, second, and so on. Whoop, there we go. So now we've done that, we'll save it, we'll go into the styling again, and this is where we can start doing this, you know, the gradients basically. Whoop, just realised I picked the wrong one. There we go, background. This is where you add the things you need. So this one you need linear, gradient. There we go, finally there. So instead of doing the equals one, which you can see quite a lot of times, this one we add the parentheses. So we just do the same one, red, blue. And we've got to add some border so that, so it's noticeable. And same margin. We just do 10 and padding 20. So, next one. And the same thing, but what we're going to do is add an extra color. So, just give more example of what you can do. Oh, so used to doing the old curly braces instead of parentheses. So red, blue, and red. And as we did, we just copy this, just save time. The second one, and the third one we're going to change it, so it's not going to be the same thing. Oop, there we go. This one we're going to do a radio grid, so it goes around, hence radio. Oop, there we go, remember to do that. So red, green, and blue, that'll do. And as you already know, we're just going to keep it simple, copy this. Oop, missed it, there we go. And fourth, if he remembers to do the U. And again, we're going to show a different type. Well, it's not so much different type, it's just a different way of doing it. So, do the background, do the linear again. There are plenty more out there, I'm just showing you the quite common ones to use. And good little practice to do. And gradient. So this time, we're going to use, if I don't press every wrong, we're going to do it typing instead. So down, and then we're going to use RGBA, which is red, green, blue, and alpha. So it requires more parentheses, so parentheses city going on here. And just, ooh, and 4 zeros. Well, I mean, 3. Learn to count, I should. So, and then we end that. And then, as you've seen already, we'll just add some borders pen to it. Now, hopefully, for all runs, you should have nice gradients going on. So there you go. I think the bottom one ain't working, but yeah, there you go. Red to the blue, red, green, blue, radio 1. If I quickly check. Oh, I see what I made a mistake. So we push this down quickly and we do another. I was meant to add another RGBA. And it's the same as this pretty much, and we just add a 1 to the end. Save it, run it. And there you go, see. So that's how you can do linear gradients, radio gradients, and use RGBA and all that. And that's how you do rounded borders as well. So thank you for watching and goodbye.